Boom! Hey guys, oh my god, craziest thing happened. This stuff freaking went through today. Alright, so I want to tell you guys a story, and it's something that's happened, in a little bit, and it's about how to go literally from anywhere in a space of desperation. Doesn't matter where you're at, but taking that as an inspiration to still change in life and using that change as a way to just find opportunities in the marketplace other people just would have no clue about. Okay, so here's the deal. It was like 6 months ago, and I'm sitting in school, and I'm like so freaking bored. I'm like, how am I gonna start making money, right? So I'm obviously trading stocks because stocks are super fun, but the market hadn't opened yet, which was a shame. It was a real shame. So because the market wasn't open, I decided, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go on Craigslist. And at the time, I sort of like just was phasing out of that computer building phase where like I was building people computers, and then they just paid me a bunch of money, and like that was the freaking whole business. It was pretty sweet stuff, but after that, I was looking on Craigslist, and I'm just trying to find like gigs for sales jobs, right? Because sales you get paid really freaking well, and I've been doing a whole bunch of research over the past year, 2 years, a bunch of years. Like Dan Lott, freaking awesome guy, a lot of really amazing content out there. Listen to some of his podcasts, freaking awesome stuff. Whole bunch of stuff with Dan Kennedy, a lot of sales training videos, and a lot of mindset stuff I've been going through. So I've been trying to get really, really good at sales so that I could use that to grow my business, grow my life, because it's just a tremendously great place to start. It's just very well, commissioned. You get good stuff from it. So go on Craigslist and look up, hey, how do I, let's find sales jobs in my local area. I see a freaking ad for these guys, and whoa, all you do is follow up with the ad, and they're like, hey, you know what, we have results. Here are some of the people that do results. They do SEO, online marketing, and like that stuff's super cool. Like I know that stuff. That's me, man. Just for you. I love doing that stuff. So I like contact them, and then they have me send in a resume. I'm like, hey, I run this company, but we don't like make a lot of money right now. But it's a sales company for B2B, which is what they do, which is awesome. So I use that, and then after I submitted the application, and I think it was the same day, I'm in like another class in 2 periods after that, and I get a phone call, and this man, he calls. He's the freaking coolest guy I've met ever in my whole life, and I like leave history class, just pretend to go to the bathroom. I don't freaking know. I'm on the phone, like walking out of the class, because he's interviewing me for this position as a sales rep. And I just go in the bathroom for like 20 minutes for this job interview, because I'm literally in school every single day. So I was trying to get like a, work at home phone job crap, just because like I literally didn't have the ability to leave school. And he's like, yeah, so I really like your stuff. We talked for a while about what I was doing with Maneras, and he's like, yeah, sounds like it'll be a good fit. But I need you to actually like physically come in. So that couldn't happen. Obviously I had school every single day. So school just ended. We just got through a whole bunch of stuff. I'm recording a freaking audiobook for you guys. I'm so excited to get this thing out there. This book, guys, can change people's freaking lives. I'm so excited about it. But besides that, working a lot, and then we're getting a lot of this funnel building stuff done for clients just to get some cash flow coming in so I can spend ad dollars, get people to offers, so that I can get you guys this book, because I think it's so important that you get it. So with that said, these guys call me, they're like, hey, school's over, I let them know again, and they're freaking awesome, because they just get it done, they set it up, and they're golden. So after that, all you do is let these guys know what you want to do, and then I submit the application again. They say, yeah, just give us a call again, submit another resume. Did that, easy peasy. And then they sent me the freaking tax forms, fill out tax forms, get in with some awesome sales rep managers, and they're telling me all about how they they've got people coming on board, and how all their guys are just crushing it with their program, and how they can't wait to have me on board. We're doing training in like the next couple of days. Like, isn't that awesome? All you do is go on Craigslist, go anywhere, just like look up freaking jobs that fit what you do and fit your passions, and then find them and crush them. Oh my god, it's so cool, because like everything's out there on the internet, and a lot of times you just gotta look for it. Like, guys, Google is absolutely berserk. I want to instill with you guys the initiative and the care and the drive to do it, because I know you do it. I know everyone watching this video can do it, but I don't know, maybe like 10%, 1% of people are going to go out there, go to Google, and look up whatever the heck they want. So that's what I want you guys to do today, is take what you're passionate about, take what you love, take what you do, and figure out a way. If you're already making bank, that's awesome. I wasn't making bank. I needed a high income skill. So I developed it, and then I found a high income job. This is, freaking awesome stuff. So that's the point with it, is to have that consistent cash flow so that you can come in and then invest it in the stock market. Oh man! So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you found it valuable and learn a little bit from it. Get out there, go on Craigslist, freaking do it. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. See ya.